I'm going to show you in this video a breathing movement technique that you can apply to all the movements. My method is about acquiring easy breathing space. We lose our breathing space. Your body's good at tightening. Your brain's good at telling the muscles to tighten, and all the lifetime of reaction to stress and all the ways that it's tightened. Those are all losses of breathing space. So you can try to force it open. You can stretch things, but that doesn't really teach the brain. We want the brain to consent and accept this reacquisition of easy breathing space. That space is your right and your entitlement. That's your space. So if your brain is holding you in positions, sunken chest, tight back, stuck in a twist, one side tight, sides through the body, the more complex relationships of tension, crushing you, well, that's all loss of breathing space. And if you lose it enough and you're in stress, then you're quick to be pushed into anxiety. You're running out of room to breathe. Easy breathing, that's what the organism wants. The breathing pattern that I've been applying to my daily practice. And in one video recently, I showed you something I call the Save the Day breathing release. It's like a very vivid lesson, holding the breath a certain way and breathing in. But we want something gentle and easy and softer and more acceptable, gentler lesson for reacquiring breathing space. And I'm going to show you in this video a breathing movement technique that you can apply to all the movements. So let's plan it out first. Let's think it through. I'm going to have you close somewhere, close the body, squeeze some air out. Plan it out with me right now. While you're holding it, without moving, holding that tension, we're going to breathe in, just breathe against that resistance, okay? We're squeezing the air out, holding the position of the exhale without moving, gentle breath in, just to the limit. And now from there, let that tension release and open and breathe into all that opening new space. Okay, so let's try one for the front. We're just going to sink the chest, sink the front, close it up. Okay. Without moving, try to breathe in gently to the limit. Now breathe in the rest of the way as it opens. Is that free? Is that open? Do you need some movements on the floor to help you really get it? We're closing one side. It's armpit to side belt loop. Close it up. Close one side. Okay. Try to breathe into that side. Breathe into the closed space without moving. And now breathe gently against the limit. And now let it open and breathe into every space. Where does the breath not know how to go? In that space. Direct it there. Breathe it open. Beautiful. Closing the other side. Easy. Gentle. Close it up. Make it closed. Without moving, breathe into it. Find the limit. And then from there, opening. Follow the place that doesn't know how to open for the breath. Is it more in back? Is it more in front? Is it higher, middle, lower? Where is it? Okay. How about the back? Let's squeeze the air out of the back. Pull your elbows back, and as the body arches forward, squeeze the air out. Take a breath into that closed space to the limit. Now, move in a way that you can breathe into all that opening. Look at where it doesn't know how to go. We're going to focus a contraction right there. It might be one side. For me, it's upper back on one side. I'm going to close it up. Can I find some tension, and can I close that space? Can I show my brain that that place closes, the air is out? Gentle breath in against it. As it opens, let that place be the space that is breathing. Make the whole movement a lesson in breathing space. We're talking about torso. Twist the body. Squeeze the air out without moving. Breath in. Now breathe in as you untwist. Where does the breath not know how to go? Twist the other way. Squeeze the air out. Gentle breath in. Just up to the limit. Now open the rest of the way. Show your brain that. Is that enough to help you feel supple? You can do it. You can free yourself. If you need more guidance, just go to my Begin Here playlist or the asymmetry playlist or the fibromyalgia playlist or the movement for freeing and liberating your shoulder. I've got so many playlists. Just explore it. Work your way from the top of the list on down. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I'm Eric Cooper, InspireSomatics.com. Blessings on your journey.